Numerous plants are susceptible to this widespread ailment. This condition is often associated with Leucinodes or orbonalis. The withering of young shoot tips as a result of the larvae's feeding activity is the first evidence that this pest is present in the garden. Afterwards, stalks, flowers, and flower buds are also targeted. Young larvae pierce the stem by boring through the ends of the major veins of soft shoots and big leaves, resulting in heart death. Small entrance holes filled with dried frass are left behind as adult larvae bore into the apple. The fruit turns discolored, hollow, and frass-filled. In severe infestations, plants may weaken and wilt, resulting in large yield losses. Fruit produced from diseased plants may be unsuitable for consumption. Damage caused by the disease becomes even more severe when the pest population increases through multiple generations. When the larvae of the moth species, scientifically known as Leucinodes or orbonalis, do harm, this disease frequently manifests. On the undersides of leaves, stems, flower buds, or fruit bases, female moths deposit single or clustered creamy white eggs in the spring. The eggs develop into larvae caterpillars that bore straight into the fruit after 3 to 5 days. Mature larvae have a brown head and a robust pink body. The larvae pupate in a hard gray cocoon that is affixed to the stem, dried buds, or fallen leaves following the feeding period. The pupal stage lasts 6 to 8 days, after which the pupa transforms into a moth. Adult moths live for about 2 to 5 days, completing their life cycle in 21 to 43 days, depending on environmental conditions. In a year, they can produce up to 5 successive generations, causing cumulative damage to crops. In winter, the larvae hibernate underground. This pest feeds on many plants in the Solanaceae family, including tomatoes and potatoes. Here are some natural remedies that could be useful. Numerous parasitic species, including Prestomerus testaceus, Cremastis flavorbitalis, and Schirachia schoenobic, consume the larvae of the moth L. orbonalis. Phaneroptoma, braconids, and pseudoparacata are also useful in gardens. Fruit that is infected can also be treated with a 5% concentration of neem kernel extract, NSKE, or the natural pesticide spinosad. To stop moths from entering and depositing their eggs on the plants, adhesive netting, like glue, should be positioned around 10 centimeters above the trellis. In the event that adhesive netting is unavailable, use netting that is 40 centimeters wide across a height of 2 meters, lowered at an angle of 80 to 85 degrees to the vertical mesh. Treatments like these may be employed as the issue worsens. In every situation, think about combining appropriate biological control techniques with preventative measures. Depending on the season and infestation level, different treatments should be used. To manage infection, spray malathion 0.1% or Sevomol 0.1% on a regular basis. During fruit ripening and harvesting, neither synthetic pyrethroids nor pesticides should be used. In order to reduce the likelihood that this may occur again, choose local cultivars that are extremely tolerant or resistant to disease. If at all feasible, intercrop sensitive host plants with other crops such as black cumin, dill, oregano, and coriander. Regularly check the orchard for signs of illness. It is necessary to remove infected leaves, branches, or fruit from the plant and destroy them outside of the garden. Clear the garden soil of any fallen fruit, leaves, and stems. Plants that are severely infected should be removed and killed. To stop moths from entering or moving to other gardens, use barriers made of nylon mesh. To draw and catch moths in large numbers, use hormone-based traps. In conclusion, fruit and flowers show signs of harm. Young shoot tips and stems wilt. Frass fills the openings of the tunnels that pierce the fruit. The fruit is loaded with frass and hollow. The larvae have brown heads and pink bodies. For further advice on plant maintenance and health, subscribe.